What is up, everybody? It is I, Carlton Flowers, your crypto pro.
Yay!
And today we got to jump back into this Polylastic chart. I've been pretty quiet for a while, been pretty busy and bored with the whole crypto space and tired of all of the negativity out there. But there's some things popping off that are worth talking about. And I'm going to begin with Polylastic. And then the next video, we're going to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all of my top projects. And in a separate video, we're going to look at Caspa that is crushing it, man. I'm telling you what, Caspa's going nuts. But before I start, let me make it clear that this is not financial advice. Take this as entertainment purposes only. This is how you lose your money real fast. It's by listening to me. I've been investing into Polylastic for a long time, and let me give a background to people that don't know about it or what it is. Let's just read this off of Coinbase. The Polylastic is an index that tracks down token performance in the digital finance industry. The index is based on the numbers of stakers and the market cap of the token. According to the white paper, the price tracking websites of cryptocurrencies cannot stay up to date because of changes in supply and pricing patterns. And due to this, many traders lack the insight to strategize their portfolios optimally, and users need a way to analyze risk management within the crypto market. To solve the problem, Polylastic aims to offer various indexes based on risk models. Yada, yada, yada. So what they do, you can buy like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all piled up into one index, and you can get $10 worth of it. And they kind of do the work to roll those things together where you can buy in the particular index that you want to get, and then you can sell out of that index and take all the gains. There's not much news on this lately, but the price did take a dump since the recent consolidation. And it's because of the failure of the index service. And I can't even find any news on this. I've just been told in my chat group and also based on people chipping in the comments section about this failure of the index. And if you have a story, if you can find a news story that talks about it in detail, please post it below. I'm just busting out the TA on it and to tell you what I'm doing and what I have been doing. So you can see this new little note here. Let me scrunch this in. I'll show you the places where I bought recently. I bought it 4 zeros with a 7, 4 zeros with a 4, 4 zeros with a 3 yesterday. And now we are at 4 zeros 26 and going south. So I'm just kind of DCAing and driving it down. And for 1.1 million tokens, that was only 35 bucks. So I'm taking my chances and throwing away money on a long shot Darkhorse trade. Okay. And the reason is this. After the last DCA and purchasing at this point at 4 zeros and 46, I could have sold my whole bag on this pop right here. And had I done that, my whole bag would have been worth about 500 bucks. But that would have only broken me even. So I didn't sell. And then we went back into distribution mode. But I am waiting for the bull run because I think this is going to break out. Even if we just at least get to here, I'll show you what will happen. I've been buying this for quite some time. Let's just look on my chart here. Here we go. First time I bought it was in 2021, in May of 21. And so since then, after getting $100 worth, it's been going south. Look at this. 003, 002, 001, 0004, 0004, 0003, 0004, quadruple 07, quadruple 04, quadruple 04, quadruple 03, and going south. Now, let's say if we just get to the last peak, and let's go back to the chart and get this number for you. We'll scrunch this down, and then we'll end it by looking at the week chart. If we can get right here where we just hit before, that's at 3 zeros 26 or 27. I'll show you what'll happen. Let's put it right here. 1, 2, 3, 27. That's going to give me $1,108. And right now I've spent $537 doing the DCA game. This is how many tokens bought. There's the price. And then we add them up here. We get the weighted average from the price, which gives me .00013, my weighted average effective price, and then the total amount of money that I spent. I need to swing trade this more and just sell it at these peaks and fool around and practice with it because, $500, that's just blow it away. If this project folds, big deal. We'll write it off as a loss and maybe not even write it off as a loss. What I'm looking for on a play like this is a dark horse. It comes out of nowhere. Nobody's expecting it, and things actually work out. And then it goes up 10x or 100x, and then I'm going to sell on the peak during the bull market, or not the peak, but on a run up. I'm not going to be greedy. If I can pull 10x, 20x, I might just get out. It'll be hard for me not to sell if we can get back to this price at 00027. Who knows? I might have to let it go at that point. Now let's look at the 1 week. Actually, before the 1 week, we can see that we had a fake out here where the stochastic right there had flipped and it looked like it was going to go bullish. And now the fast line is dunked underneath the slow line right there. And now the MACD oscillators are pointing south and we're printing red bars on the histogram. So it looks like we're going south. We're falling away from the point of control price with a aggressive red candle right before the tick mark where we are right now. So hopefully we can drive it down further because I'm going to go ahead and buy, gamble, dollar cost average, and see what happens. So going to the week chart, this is looking pretty good, okay? Well, not really good because it's been in distribution mode ever since it came out the box. But this is like the chart I want to see. We had this big run up here that returned a lower high than where it came out and even this previous high. But it still says that on an uptrend, we will eclipse these lows if the project can hang around and last. So it looks like a positive crossover here, right there. And then the fast line fell below again. It unfurled and it gave up. And we have negative momentum here on the oscillators, but we're printing light red bars. So maybe it's trying to fight back to the zero line. So what I'll be looking to do is to ride this out and wait for the bull market to start. I don't think it's started yet. So this might, do something like this. And I'm expecting a pop that maybe gets to this mid-range here. If we can get to 3 zeros and a 7, I'm good. If we can extend this line right there, that's the average. Well, that was just up to that point. I need to erase that line. If we can get to the range of this high here at 3 zeros 27 and the previous high point right there, and that's at like 2 zeros and a 2. Hey, that's good. I mean, I should probably sell when I get to this one. So let's say if we get to this previous peak, I could just unload, take my 1,000 USDT and walk, or wait and see what happens. And if we bump up to this part up here, sell there and let it go. But anyway, this is just a play to get some experience in swing trading, long-term swing trading, playing a dark horse, trying to get that money. So that's all. Just wanted to share this chart and tell you why I'm taking a chance on a crap project, because it's a crap project that's active, that has a neat product, and if they can figure it out and it survives, it might be a good return. Post your comments below and let me know if you're bullish or bearish of POLX, or if you think this thing is going straight in the toilet. All right, that's all I got today. Stay tuned. I'm going to be back with you. I got some interesting stuff coming your way. But I would love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to the Crypto Pro channel. And if you would like to help me defray these disgusting costs of producing this channel, you may do so with a super thanks. And I thank you in advance, because right now, I've been burnt out on producing videos, and this $200, $300, $400 a month that I'm putting in for all of the rights, copyright stuff, and subscriptions to produce this, man, it's starting to eat at me. So I need to get some work put in, and I'm thinking about doing a live and taking your requests for TA once the bull market starts. Let me know if you're interested, because the kids need shoes. That's all I got, man. This is Carlton, and I am out.